So this is exactly how to play eFootball on your PlayStation 5 with two controllers. So the first thing we need to do is to connect those two controllers to our PlayStation 5. So I'm gonna begin with this one. So I'm gonna click on the PlayStation logo, click and hold here as you can see, and then I'm gonna select this profile here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna grab the other controller and then also do the same thing here and select the other profile. If you don't have another profile, you need to click on add user here, or you have to actually add a user. And I think you can also have a guest. So you can click on quick play here and you don't have to sign in. You can just play as a guest. Once you have connected both of the controllers to your PlayStation 5, what you're going to do after that is to open up the eFootball game and then select, for example, a quick match or something like that, and then make sure that you both select a side when you're starting out to play. So you need to select a side with one of the controllers and the other side with the other controller, of course. And then you will be able to play two-player on eFootball on your PlayStation 5.